Hi guys. Yes, you're in my closet, and yes, we're still on the gluten-free sourdough starter journey. I'm in my closet because it has the most even temperature during these winter months. So apparently you're not supposed to have starters that look like soupy, gloppy messes. After day 4, which I hope you watched that reel, my day 5 and 6, I'm going to show you. I didn't know what the starter really was supposed to look like. That's called the hooch, and we're going to pour that off. And this has been day 5, so it dropped a little bit. It seems to drop when I hit it. Again, not a scientist, you know what I mean? But I've learned that those starters might be over fermented. So I started to do another one, but I also have been nurturing the first one. Let me show you what they look like now. Only safe place for my baby starters. Yes, I'm losing my mind. So flour, it's a week old. So it's starting to bubble and get consistency, and that's good. So I'm going to pour that off and add and feed it, because you got to keep feeding. You got to pay attention. That's what I'm learning. Paying attention is good. This is the sorghum one I started. She's a beauty. Fed it and watched it. And then this one is my second brown rice one, just in case, because, well, I'm going to make this work. And that looks really good. Dedicated, you guys. I'm not going to give up. Guys, I promise I'll have sourdough at some point.